In today's video, I'll be talking about 5 of the best online stockbrokers in the Philippines. As of January 2022, there are a total of 125 accredited brokers in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But I will only discuss 5 of the best online stockbrokers na pwede kong i-recommend based on my own experience and based on the reviews na nabasa ko. So, hindi ito in any particular order kasi hindi ko naman nasubukan lahat ng 5 stockbrokers na ito. Okay, I'll start with COL Financial Group. COL was established in 1999 and based on their website, COL ang leading online stockbroker sa ngayon. So it is the fastest growing online stockbroker in the country today. COL is good for beginners and passive investors kasi napakadaling gamitin ang kanilang platform. So very user-friendly. Madaling mag-execute ng buy and sell. So for beginners, so meron din silang mutual funds. So pwede rin kayo mag-invest sa mutual funds together with stocks. Yun nga lang, basic features lang meron ang COL. So hindi siya for advanced traders. Ang target market ng COL ay beginner at passive investors. So if you are planning to be an active trader, pwede kayo mag-open ng ibang account sa other stockbrokers. So since I'm a passive investor, I'm okay with COL. Requirements to open an account. Okay, so you need to prepare the following. So one valid government-issued ID. So kailangan din ng Philippine bank account details, TIN number, SSS or GSIS number for locally employed, and a blank sheet of paper with 3 consistent signatures. How to sign up? You need to sign up online. So, punta kayo sa COL website. So, I'll share the link in the description box for your reference. Okay, so for the requirements, kailangan mo ng active email and mobile number for verification. And you also need to use a device with camera for photo and video requirements. Submission of all requirements will be done online. Then once na meron ka ng trading account, the next step is for you to fund your account. Minimum initial funding to activate your account is 1,000 pesos. So among all the online stockbrokers, COL ang may pinakamababang minimum initial deposit. And there are 4 ways to fund your COL account. So most of the major banks are accepted. Wala lang dito ang Security Bank and PNB. And you can also do fund transfer through GCash and Paymaya. Okay? So note lang na yung gagamitin mong bank for funding, doon din nila i-deposit yung fund mo pag nag-withdraw ka. You can also do it over the counter, so bills payment din. Third option is through the COL Business Center, kaya lang hassle to. And if you are an OFW, may option din sila for overseas remittance. So itong tatlong to ang accepted. Pag na-activate ng account mo, pwede ka nang mag-invest. And if you are a beginner, ang maire-recommend ko ay mag-start ka muna sa mutual fund or sa ETF. So, ang code niya ay FM ETF, First Metro Exchange Traded Fund. So ito aims to provide returns. Ini-invest yung money mo in a basket of securities na kasama sa Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So yung PSEI is composed of the top 30 companies selected by the Philippine Stock Exchange. Tawag nila doon ay blue chip companies. Next is Abacus Securities Corporation. So MyTrade yung tawag sa trading platform ng Abacus Securities. And based dun sa website nila, MyTrade has the best tools available to make your trading experience truly great and personal. So ang MyTrade is good for passive investors and active traders. So, madali ding gamitin ang kanilang platform, di ka mahirapan. At ang kagandahan nito, meron din silang mobile app. So, you can trade anytime, anywhere. So, compared with COL, mas advanced ang features ng MyTrade. So, you can customize your layout based on your needs. Pwede ka rin mag-create and mag-customize ng iyong watch list. And meron ding advanced technical charting for active traders. And how to sign up? Okay, so minimum amount to open a MyTrade account is 10,000 pesos. So mas mataas ang requirement compared to COL. You need to submit two valid IDs with three signatures. Okay, so isang primary ID and then secondary ID is also okay. And then you need TIN number and proof of billing. Proof of billing does not have to be under your name. Pwedeng nasa pangalan ng ibang tao. And if you are a student, so yung primary ID is your student ID. And then, TIN number is pwedeng to follow. Okay, so yung account opening process, so you need to sign up online then. Fill out the form and upload the required documents as you go. And then after registration, you will receive a link with a copy of your submissions. Okay, so pag successful ang online registration mo, so you will receive a notification para ma-verify yung email mo. So, ito yung mga kailangan mong isend na mga documents. So, i-print mo, then scan mo, and then send the complete set of documents to these emails. Start at mytrade.com.ph. Okay, so once na nasubmit mo na lahat ng requirements, wait for approval na lang. They will send you an email notification on the activation of your account. Take note of the client code kasi gagamitin mo ito pag mag-fund ka at mag-withdraw ka sa iyong account. Processing time is no longer than 5 business days upon receipt of the complete documents. Okay, and then the next step is for you to fund your account para ma-activate yung account mo. Okay, so ito yung mga kailangan. So, client code, tapos ito yung mga partner banks nila. And if you are an OFW, pwede din remittance. Take note na pag naka-receive ka na ng client code, kailangan mo nang i-fund your account mo kasi merong deadline. You need to deposit your fund on or before the deadline. Otherwise, uulit ka naman sa application process mo. Next is Metro Securities Brokerage Corporation. First, Metrosec is the stock brokerage house of the Metrobank Group, and it was established in 1994. And then, meron silang upgraded version ng first Metrosec. So, ito yung first Metrosec Pro. Ang Pro version is designed for active traders who need fast access to the most relevant trading information. So, pag active traders kasi gusto nila lahat mabilisan. So, every second, every minute counts. First, Metrosec Pro is by far the most advanced online stock trading platform available for the Philippine stock market. And based ito sa review na isang advanced trader, so blazing fast, sobrang bilis. And everything is effortlessly quick. No frozen window, no error, no glitch at all. Yan. So kaya kung plano mo maging active trader, pwede mai-consider ang first MetroSec. So, First MetroSec Pro is open to all First MetroSec clients. So, kailan lang mag-trade ng cumulative amount of at least 100,000 pesos within the month. At pwede rin maintain ka ng mutual fund or stock portfolio of at least 200,000 pesos. Requirements to open an account. Isang valid ID lang, government-issued ID. So you can submit any of these. And then, kailangan din ng 3 specimen signatures. So, sign 3 times on white paper and take a photo. And proof of address. You need to submit proof of bank account. So, you can provide any of the following proof of your bank account na pinapakita niya yung bank account number tsaka yung name mo. And initial deposit is 5,000 pesos. You need to upload a scanned copy or screenshot of the proof of transaction. So other requirements, if you are a self-employed or you have business, you need to provide any of the following. Tapos TIN number din, and SSS or GSIS number is required for all employed. And how to sign up? So to open an account, kailangan mong mag-sign up online. So punta ka sa website nila. And then you will be asked if you are a Metrobank account holder or other bank depositor. Tapos ito, i-fill up mo lang yung form. And then the next step, as soon as makomplete mo na yung application form mo, you will receive an email with your online registration application reference number and the link to the next step. Tapos i-verify mo yung email mo. So once na na-verify mo na yung email mo, you will be redirected to the upload documents section. So only applications with complete uploaded documents will be processed. Okay, so once na na-process na yung application mo, so kailangan mo nang magbayad ng initial deposit. So you may pay online through bills payment. So ito yung mga accepted banks nila. So madami din, halos lahat ng major banks. So you can also use GCash or Paymaya and coins. Pwede rin sa 7-Eleven. And if you are an OFW, pwede din through remittance. So ito yung mga banks na gagamitin. Processing time usually takes 2 to 3 days upon submission of completed forms and identification requirements. And then once na ma-activate na yung account mo, pwede ka nang mag-start, mag-invest, or mag-trade. Next is Philstocks Financial. Philstocks was established in 2001. So, pag nagpunta ka sa kanilang website, so ito yung unang-una mong makikita. So, meron silang free stock market seminars. If you want to learn the basics of the stock market, so pwede kang mag-register dito. So, ang Philstocks ay isa din sa merong pinaka-user-friendly na interface. Good for beginners, active traders, and passive investors. So, meron silang mobile app. So, ang claim nila, world-class, feature-packed, and state-of-the-art online trading app. So, perfect for traders on the go. For as low as 5,000 pesos, so pwede ka nang mag-open ng Philstock account. So, ito yung mga requirements. So, you need one primary government-issued ID. Tapos, kailangan mo ding i-affix yung 3 specimen signatures mo below the copy of your ID. Tapos, kailangan din ng selfie photo holding your presented ID and signature affixed on a clear white paper. To open an account, punta ka sa website ng Philstock and then makikita mo to yung orange na button na open an account. So pag clinic mo yan, you will be guided by 3 easy steps to open an account. And then, fill up mo na yung required details, tapos i-prepare mo na rin yung mga requirements na i-upload mo in the online registration portal. And then, upon successful registration, so they will notify you via email regarding the progress of your application. Okay, and final requirement for activation. Okay, so you need to deposit the minimum of 5,000 pesos para ma-activate yung account mo. So ito yung mga kapartner nilang bank. So BPI, BDO, Metrobank, Union Bank, pwede rin coins.ph. Next is Yap Securities Incorporated. Okay, ang tawag sa kanilang platform ay Trade Asia. Trade Asia is one of the pioneers in online stock trading. So meron silang mobile app. You can monitor your portfolio and trade on the go with super friendly mobile apps. Meron din silang advanced platform that is designed for active and advanced traders. Sa tawag dito ay Trade Asia Prime, who are eligible to access Prime. So all existing clients are eligible to access Prime. So if you're a new client at wala ka pang Trade Asia account, so you need to deposit a minimum of 25,000 pesos. Requirements to open a Trade Asia account, so you need to go to their website and then click mo lang yung open an account. And then, fill up mo yung application form mo. And you need a printer kasi you need to print and sign the online trading account application, online agreements, specimen signature cards, and FATCA. Check your email for the verification link and then i-prepare mo na yung application documents and all other requirements and submit mo to yung hard copy dito sa address na ito. And once na meron ka ng account, the next step is for you to fund your account. So ito yung mga kapartner nilang mga banks. So BDO, BPI Security Bank, and Union Bank. Thank you for watching and consider subscribing to my channel if you find value in my content.